Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see, it's gonna be another Zara haul slash Aritzia haul. So let's just start because I have a couple of stuff from Zara and I picked this out last Monday, like this Monday. When I passed my my citizenship, I stopped by at Zara to the mall with my friend Mimi. But anyways, let's just start. So they were having sale, Zara, I believe they call it winter sale, and I picked up a few and I cannot wait to show it to you guys, and hopefully I can try this on as well. So okay, let's start with this one. This is the sweatshirt in this color, like brown, right here. This is the color, and I picked up, or I got the size small, and this is $25.99, originally $35.90 right there. And I'm honestly surprised because Zara, I thought Zara sale was only a couple of days, but I think they probably extended, or I didn't know that it was like 2 week or a week long sale. So this is what I picked up first. Is this brown, like oversized sweatshirt, which is so perfect for winter time. And next one is this plain shirt. Okay, so I remember this is just a plain shirt, brown color, like a chocolate brown color shirt. And this was not on sale. This is $12.90, which is, I picked up the extra large because I like baggy shirt. This is just plain, there's no print on the shirt. Good for like every day if I'm just in here in the house. And I thought I have this color, but surprisingly not, I think. But this is their crop top right here. This is their crop top, their black crop top, and I got the size large, and this wasn't on sale. This is $5.90, and I got the size large because they only have small and large. They don't have the medium, so I just got the size large. Okay, so the next one would be this top, which is, I also bought this top on my previous Zara haul. The color was, I believe, like minty green or like light green, and now I got the blue one. And I did tell you guys, if I ending up liking the top, I'll get a different color. So I get this little baby like light blue color. It's so freaking cute, and it's honestly so soft. This is the price is $17.90 originally, but I paid $12.99, and I got the size medium. So this is the last top that I got. This is what they look like. There, you can see. This is what they look like, and it's ribbed, and I got the size large. I believe this was the last one on the hanging, so I only paid $12.99, originally $17.90. And I love this, how it's very thick. I love how it's thick, and I love the material about this one, and hopefully it will look good on me. Okay, the last pair is this black pants. This reminds me of the one that I recently got as well, but the one with the crisscross, but this one isn't crisscross. And this also reminds me of my brown one. So I feel like it's almost the same, but it's black. And this was on sale, which I'm like, you know what, might as well get it. So I got the size medium, and I only paid $15.99. I don't know what's up with me and this type of pants. I freaking love it if it's good on me. I love the fitting of the brown one that I got, and also the previous one that I got. I love it. I tried it on, and it fits like a gloves, and I'm like obsessed. Like, I have a little obsession with the Zara pants, especially this kind. So anyways, this is very long and also like wide. So moving on with Aritzia, I got 3, but one was my friend's Christmas present. So I got their Babaton. I think both of these are Babaton. So this is the Babaton bodysuit. I already washed it and everything, But yeah, this is their Babaton bodysuit, and this is what they look like right there. And the only thing about this bodysuit is not like, it's not a snap closure. So when you're wearing this bodysuit, you literally have to take this off. Like, all have to take this all off so you can wear, I mean, you can use the bathroom. And the next one, by the way, I got this on sale, both of these on sale, because Aritzia were having their winter sale, which is 30 to 60% off. And the second one I got is this Babaton knit tank top. This is the long version. The one that I'm wearing right now is the crop version. Right here, the green one is the crop version, and this one is the longer version, not version. This is the longer version, and this is the color. I'm gonna put like the name color in here because I don't remember the color, but it's really like nudie brown. That's what it look like. And I also wore this last Monday and already washed it. But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys like a try on moment so you guys know what it looks like on me.
Drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the plenty, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get known, hope he freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out?
That is it for today's haul slash try on. So if you guys like this video, please do, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.